In the previous example of setting target ranges, we met Jim and Sue, two employees who have similar positions that needed to be set to the same target ranges. Now let's practice selecting target ranges for positions with slightly different job duties. Let's meet Randy. Hey Randy. Like Jim and Sue, Randy is also an accountant with the same basic accounting job duties. However, Randy works for a much smaller agency than Jim and Sue, and his position has additional job duties. Let's compare their positions. Jim and Sue work for a large department, and their work is collaborative. Randy works for a small department, sits by a desk at the front door, and serves as the agency's receptionist due to the small size of the department. Randy's position must also provide communication to the budget office, as well as give presentations to the director of the department. We've already set a target range for communication for Jim and Sue, so let's continue practicing by setting Randy's target range for communication. We already know that target range B is a good fit for Jim and Sue. Let's consider the target ranges for Randy. Once again, target range A is the minimum expectation for communication. We know that target range B is a fit because Randy's position has the same basic accounting duties as Jim and Sue's, and he must also convey information in a clear, understandable, and organized manner when preparing statements. However, Randy is also expected to give presentations which require him to tailor information to a particular audience. This fits target range C. Randy's position does not require the advanced level of communication represented by target ranges D or E because he does not need to identify communication barriers, determine appropriate courses of action, or assess situations and determine and communicate objectives. So we've determined that even though Randy is an accountant with the same basic duties as Jim and Sue, his target range for communication should be set to C due to the additional duties required by his position at the smaller agency.